back to my channel is English. Dear friends, learning a language is one of the most rewarding things you can do. We can learn a language in many ways, from attending classes to self-learning. But let's put that smartphone of yours to really good use for learning English. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to improve your English, here are 6 free apps for both Android and iOS that will help you learn English. Top 6 apps to learn English. The first app is Duolingo. This is an app for people who want to learn English from beginning. The app uses interactive games and this makes learning easy and fun. For beginners, the app focuses on helping you learn verbs, phrases, and sentences. If you make a mistake while learning, the app will use a different game to further help you understand. The next app is Hello English. Hello English covers all the aspects of language learning, including vocabulary, translation, grammar, spellings, spoken and reading skills. When you first launch the app, you will have to select your native language to continue. Hello English uses interactive games to teach different English lessons, and you will earn coins to unlock more difficult lessons. The app also offers new audiobooks, latest news, and books to keep enhancing your English language. Third app is Memrise. Memrise is a crowdsourced learning platform. The courses are constructed by other members of the Memrise community. Most of the lessons are gamified and fun to learn. Memrise offers all the tools to let regular users create courses. The next app is Busuu. The courses in Busuu are created by native speakers. You can select your own custom difficulty level and the courses will be provided accordingly. Busuu additionally works as a social media platform where people with different languages can chat and share their experience. The next app is Awabe. Awabe is a completely free app that helps you learn over 4,000 common phrases and vocabularies. The app works completely offline and there is tons of data to improve your English. The app offers translations, audio and video lessons and a bunch of language learning games. The next app is Learn English Daily. This app follows a simple approach to learning English by listening and speaking. The app consists of thousands of words and phrases narrated by native speakers. Download these apps, use them and let us know which one do you like the best. Keep watching my channel for more informative videos. The link to every app is given in the description. Please hit the like button.
get instant notification.